Samsung is back with a monster of a flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. With next-gen AI features, upgraded cameras, and an all-new processor, this could be the most powerful phone of 2025. Today, we're breaking down the official launch details and the top 5 game-changing features that make this phone a true Ultra. Let's start with performance. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, built on a 3nm architecture, offering up to 35% faster CPU performance. An upgraded Adreno GPU for console-level graphics. Massive improvements in power efficiency and AI processing. Expect blazing speed, better thermal control, and incredible multitasking across the board. Next up, the cameras. The S26 Ultra introduces a new 200MP ISO CELL-HP3 main sensor with improved low-light performance. AI-powered optical zoom, up to 10x optical, 100x digital, enhanced 8K video recording with better stabilization. A new AI photo remastering tool for instant photo cleanup. This is Samsung's most advanced camera system yet, and it's designed for creators. The S26 Ultra features a 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED 2X display with 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. Up to 3000 nits brightness. LTPO 4.0 adaptive refresh and reduced power draw. Covered by Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. Whether you're gaming or watching HDR content, this is one of the best displays on any smartphone in 2025. Samsung is going all in on AI. The S26 Ultra brings live call translations, generative photo editing, smart summaries for messages and notes, AI-powered battery optimization and app suggestions. Samsung's AI tools are now more seamless, more powerful, and they're built into every part of the phone. Powering it all is a 5500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, 25W wireless charging, and improved reverse wireless charging for earbuds or other devices. You'll easily get a full day of use, even with heavy AI tasks, 144Hz gaming, or 5G. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in January 2025. Starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the base 256GB model, with variants going up to 1TB. Pre-orders may include bonuses like Galaxy Buds 3 or a Smart Tag 2. So that's the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with its new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, AI-enhanced cameras, and a stunning 144Hz display. This phone is aiming to dominate 2025's flagship lineup. Are you planning to upgrade? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest smartphones. Don't forget to turn on notifications. We'll have more updates and hands-on coverage as soon as this phone drops. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.